seeing you here. Hey guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Tomorrow is my boyfriend's birthday, and in celebration of this, I'm taking him for dinner tonight to a fancy Japanese restaurant called Hakkasan. Today of all days, I feel like he should be treated and whatnot, and maybe for once he shouldn't just see me in an oversized Walmart t-shirt that's got a unicorn on it with the phrase keeping it real. So, you know, I thought I need to transform myself into a luxury, glorious goddess today of all days, you know, just like a treat, you know? Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I never look like this in my videos. Trust me. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, and if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna like those too. So head down there, click the red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. We are never going to rehab. Great, shall we start? Step one, let's get this hair did. Fresh out of the shower, feeling fresh, looking at least as though blood is running through my veins, okay? Which is a step up from where we were before. I just, you know, kind of do this and hope for the best. What's this? Is she a curly-haired goddess? She may just be. The next step is purely optional, but I already know one aspect of the outfit I'm wearing tonight, and that is a skirt. Listen, you know me, I'm a very casual gal. The legs are gonna be out. And, you know, the legs don't get out very often, but when they do, we need to make people think that I'm a goddess sent from the heavens, so I shall be using the Body Blur Instant HD Skin Finish 24-hour wear by Vita Liberata. I'm just going to put this body blurring cream on in the hopes that, you know, it turns me into a different person. A girl can dream. Step 3, makeup. So let's literally and figuratively beat the hell out of my face. Eyeshadow is just such a risky business, you know. Just going for it. I'm really just squiggling it on there and hoping for the best. There we go. She's in the crease. Is she? Blended. Is she? You know what? I don't think it's the worst. Ooh. She's looking okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going in with the wings. They're already at different angles. Oh, come on. Let's just not talk about the wings. We are just going to go ahead, roll all of this on, and look like I fell face first into a vat of oddly coloured cocaine. Look at that. Give me that Bella Hadid chisel. Give it to me. Ooh, ooh, who is she? She's literally a different woman. Also, if you don't fan yourself dry after a setting spray moment and you don't have a handheld fan to do this, what are you doing with your life? Get one. Highlighter. We're going to hit it here and we're just going to keep layering it until she makes everyone that comes in contact with me legally blind. Look at that. Bam! Bam! She's there. Usually, if I'm trying to, like, create a look, I will pick one item to base the whole look around. So I have this skirt, which is literally from ages ago. It is by Vivienne Westwood. So I was thinking the best way we could deal with her is with a white shirt. So this side of the wardrobe is my boyfriend. So we're just gonna... Fantastic. A Vivienne Westwood white shirt. She has got the strongest of collars. I'll show you the outcome, but just as a small visual. This is also fitted, which I feel is going to look great. Bag-wise, I mean, I think we're going to have to go with the old saddle. She's coming together. She is coming together. These shoes aren't only giving me supermodel length, killing it legs, right, with the platform and everything else. Blue matches the saddle, the white matches the shirt. We are just, I feel like we're ticking all the boxes. She is killing it. The only thing we're missing is a jacket, and I think I know the perfect one. I mean, what a transformation from what you saw earlier. I mean, okay, it was a monster turned princess I mean, I really don't know how else to describe the before that we went through today. Let me know in the comments if you like these videos. It was fun bringing you along with my get ready with me process. Guys, like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already. Come and join us in our family of luxury addicts. We'd love to have you join us. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.